what's going on? It's your girl Saba and you're watching Savoring with Saba. I am super excited this week because it's my birthday week, hence the crown. Yes, get into it. Today I'm going to have a sweet treat in honor of my birthday. I have a great alternative. All you need is a mug, a coffee mug, and some coconut. So let me stop talking because I'm very hungry and I'm waiting for my treats. We're going to be making coconut mug cakes. Hey everyone, Jessie is back. Hi Jessie. Are you excited?
I am, yes.
I have something that is right up your alley, Jessie. I'm giving you a sweet treat.
Okay.
She has
I love sweets.
She has a big sweet tooth.
I do.
And it has coconut.
Ooh, I love coconut.
And it's going to take less than 5 minutes.
Oh yeah, I like that too, girl. You know me very well.
We like to bake, but we don't want to be in the kitchen all day. The first thing you want to do is get a microwave-safe mug. That's really important, obviously, for this recipe. Now, we've already melted our ghee. It takes about 30 seconds to melt your ghee. So because we already have the wet ingredient, we're going to continue to add the other wet ingredients and then the dry ones. Now, you may be wondering, do you have to grease the lining or inner lining of your mug? No, you do not have to do that for this recipe. So let's get our eggs.
Okay.
Pour that all in. Then we're going to use milk.
What kind of milk is this?
So I use almond milk, but you can use anything. I've used my Ripple plant-based milk, and that was perfect too. Now we're going to take the coconut flour. I love coconut flour because it's super absorbent and it makes everything so moist. And then finally, we're going to take our sweetener. Now this is monk fruit sweetener. I do not use regular processed sugar anymore, so it does the job very well.
Does it taste the same?
Yes, it's pretty good. All right. And then finally, our baking powder.
That's this, right?
Yeah, that one. You're going to take your whisk, or in this case, our forks, and we're going to just stir it until all the ingredients are well incorporated. Now, typically when I make a mug cake, I like to put it in a decorative mug, but because this is our first time featuring a mug cake, I really wanted you to see what to expect when making one. So you see the batter getting nice and thick, right, Jessie?
Yeah, that's good.
Let's see. Yeah, yours is perfect. Now, Jessie, my favorite part, the coconut flakes.
Yes, my favorite part too.
And the fun part about this is because we're adding this into the batter, as soon as we're mixing this and we put this in the microwave, when it's done, the flakes are going to be inside the batter. It's going to be so delicious when you're just biting into it. So just want to make sure that is well incorporated as well. Okay, I think that's good. So I'm just going to make sure my batter is low. I'm going to push it all down because it's going to rise as we put this in the microwave. The heat is going to make it rise and we don't want it to overfill.
Okay.
We're done stirring our batter, and now we're going to put it in the microwave for about 90 seconds. Now, depending on the heat or power of your microwave, you want to be mindful. So keep an eye on your batter because you don't want it to rise and overfill and topple over. We'll be back when this is done. Our cakes are done, Jessie.
Yeah.
Do you smell the coconut?
I do. I love it.
It smells really
So good.
But we're not done yet because now we have to top this amazing cake with some goodness. Like our coconut whipped cream and some more coconut.
I'm so excited to try this.
Okay, go ahead. Let's try it first.
Coconut milk. Wow.
You can do more. I know you want more.
I do. Okay.
My turn.
Any coconut flakes on there?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, this looks so good.
This looks really good.
Coconut on coconut on coconut. So wait, time out. Turn around, close your eyes.
Turn around.
Yes. Just don't even ask any questions. I'm taking over here. So turn around, close your eyes.
What are you doing?
Don't try to peek, because you're gonna ruin it. Okay.
What is happening? What is that noise?
Turn around. Open your eyes.
Oh,
Surprise!
Thank you.
Happy birthday!
Thank you. Okay, now cheers.
So cute. Cheers. Make a wish.
Oh, thank you, Jessie.
Yay!
Okay,
Happy
now let's
birthday.
try our cakes.
I'm so excited.
Act like that.
Oh,
sounds
this is good. I love this Sama. This is really good. And it's so easy to make. So quick.
So easy, less than 5 minutes,
Mm-hmm.
and you get the cake without all the work. And I love the fact that the cake is still moist,
It is. It's very moist.
because other flour, like almond flour, can be very drying, but
Mhm.
coconut flour is amazing.
So good.
Yay!
Good job.
And you know it's the final week of March. You didn't think I was going to end this month without a giveaway. So I had to think long and hard about this one, Jessie. I love to be pampered, and I figured,
Yes,
hence the crown, I am going to give 2 lucky people the chance to get an experience by the one and only DMV's makeup artist, Precious, aka Makeup by Pnang.
Oh wow, that's cool.
Yeah.
That's a really good giveaway.
That's my
She
girl,
does
okay?
a great job.
She does the beatness for everything for
Yeah,
me.
she's
I don't know where I'd be without Precious. So, if you want the chance to get this beatness or maybe get some free products by Precious, make sure you check the description box below for all the rules and details. And everyone, you know what to do. Head on over to my website, savoringwithsaba.com, for the full ingredients list for our coconut mud cakes. And as always, everyone, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Happy savoring.